Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. This video will change how you think about affiliate marketing. Looking back on my progress in 2020. In this video, I will be telling you guys a secret. My year with a great mentor. Did it work? Will it work? And how can you make this work for you? I will show you my journey of this past year. I will show you some screenshots, graphs, and what I've been doing, how my YouTube channel has grown, and what you can do to succeed. Remember, this will take time. It's a journey with ups and downs. It's not a get-rich-quick fake promise. It really works if you work. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. And if you want to join me, click the link below and see for yourself if you would like a sustainable online business. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the link not to miss my next video. Year 2020. For the past 6 years, I'm trying to get my online business off the ground with all the shiny objects for me to buy and try. I think you know what I'm thinking about you, having been doing that just like me. This video will change your life. Stick around till the end for the truth about building a sustainable online business and how long does it take to become successful. What was good about 2020? I found a great mentor who's honest and loves helping his student, Philip Borrowman. And you would ask, do you really need a mentor? Well, after 6 years of trying, buying, wasting money, trying, buying, wasting money, I found a great mentor, Philip Borrowman, who is honest and loves helping his students. We have one-to-one sessions. I'm part of the Digital Nomad group, Taking Action Online, and he supports us in all the way to make sure we will succeed. What did I learn from 2020? First thing, mindset. I've learned to believe whatever I have to share with my audience is worth it. Remember, believe in yourself. Don't think about anything. What you do should always be honest and legit. And that I always remember. I've learned it from Philip, and that's what I'm doing. Furthermore, learning opportunity. Look at all the unique experiences and see your learning as assets for the future of your business. I have so much more that I can use in this new year to grow my online business. My audience. Make sure I focus on the right audience and what they need. And I have to give value to my audience. How do they feel about my channel? Well, did you know there was 2 different types of values? Functional values or emotional values? I've learned that functional values is how you can save time or how you can do things easier or faster. And that's the values you have to give to your audience. Say, for instance, how to make a meal for your family with 3 simple steps in 15 minutes. This is a functional value video that any wife working in the office the whole day, coming home without time, would love to watch and see what you can give her. Emotional values is more about the audience. How do they feel after they saw your video. Make your video telling your story, get your audience to engage with you. Your emotional connection to them is very important. So they must really feel you care about them. Content. Content is also very important, and this I learned from my year with Philip. Make discoverable content videos. Make community videos about my surroundings, about my community. What do I have to share with my audience? Make review videos, but be honest and don't sell anything that's not quality and people will not be able to use. Make sales content videos. As we affiliate marketers, we need to make sales videos. With the guidance of Philip, my mentor, I never have a shortage in video content to use. He is always 2 steps ahead of the pack, and we're happy for his guidance. The bad of 2020. All the shedding of tears. It was a lot. I didn't know if I should put my photo up. I hate that photo. But sharing it with you, I know we all go through the same thing. There are tear days, there are bad days. The frustration in my first 4 months when I started with Philip, not to be able to make videos. I only really uploaded videos in February 2020. That's 4 months after my start with Philip. Then the frustration not seeing my small YouTube channel growing. Feeling overwhelmed at times. Days felt so short, not getting to all my tasks. Let's cry again. This is the bad things that happen to you when you start with your online business and you don't see anything except feel discouraged. This video is not to discourage you. This video is to tell you we're all going through the same emotions, the same steps. Let's support each other. This is how I felt when I started. I must focus, and in this age of distraction, how do you focus? Just use one channel, just use one this, just do one video, make 2 videos. It was just too much. But I got through this. I could get all these things together and I managed to get some, not a lot, but some changes in my YouTube channel. Let's look at the stats. Your channel got 6,488 views in the last 365 days. And you can see I started October last year with Philip, my mentor, and look at the beginning. There was nothing going on. And as I said, not a lot of changes, but I have some spikes, I have a lot of videos, and there is something happening in my videos and my YouTube channel. Here is another one. From July till now, it shows what I've done. 3,315 views in the last 90 days. My views are up, my watch time is up, my subscribers is up. Do not look at stats. I make sure that I never look at stats. The numbers will distract you. The numbers will discourage you. Don't look at stats. Just once a month I look and see, oh, does it look better? Is the spikes higher? I don't really go into all this, but I just want to show that it takes time with a YouTube channel to develop it, to make content videos, and to get subscribers. This is another stat. I didn't even put the color coding in to show you what I was measuring. Once a month I look at the spikes, it's there, I'm improving, and that's all that counts. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence, and look at the improvement. So, in summary, it was a great year, 2020, with ups and downs, but I made it, and I have lots to be thankful for. Subscriber 0 in the beginning. I have 152 subscribers till today. Views 0. 6,181 views. Video uploads 0. I made my 70th video, and this is the one. I'm still in the race to the winning line. So hopefully I'll see you at the winning line. So what do you think? Should I give myself a little rosé? I think so. I think for the hard work, the ups and downs, the tears and everything, I would say I give myself an 8 out of 10. There is room for improvement. I could do a little bit better with time management and maybe uploading more videos per week. So let's not be too strict and too tough on me. I will get this little red badge and 8 out of 10 for this year. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. So let's work on the next year, and I'll share my journey again after my second year with Philip. If you're looking for a proven, sustainable business online, click on the link below and start your own business today, and I will be there to help you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss out on any of my videos. See you in the next video on the other side of the screen.